Welcome to this video titled, "With YouTube as your traffic source, you need never pay for ads." The basic formula for any business is to be putting offers in front of prospective customers or people who may be interested in those offers. So we have offer and traffic. Some people also put in the link from offer to traffic, which is conversion. For our purposes though, today we'll just be looking at traffic. So there are effectively two kinds of traffic that we're going to be looking at. These can be classified as free traffic and paid traffic. In a little while I'll give you a technique to ensure that your videos are watched for years to come. But for now, let's just look at the comparison between free and paid traffic. So free traffic is not fully free. There's obviously some work involved and also some costs. YouTube as a website has massive views and those views are increasing. There's plenty of visitors to sustain a business, and the basic formula for getting free visitors and how we use YouTube to get first page listings on Google is to provide videos of value to people who find them using the keywords we provide, watch them, and then go and look at the offers that we are promoting. Because YouTube traffic is free, we can easily afford to have people view our videos again and again, and to view as many of them as they feel they need in order to understand whether or not they want to look more closely at buying a product. Contrast this with ads, where every time somebody clicks on an ad, it costs you money. This is called pay per click advertising. Obviously there's also advertising that's similar to billboard, but on the web generally that's banners, and what it effectively means is that you pay whether anybody even sees your ad or not. Why in heck would anybody do that when they could get plenty of views on YouTube for free for years to come, and all it costs is a little bit of work up front and perhaps some small costs for resources such as images, etc. So the key to having free traffic for years to come is to set up your video correctly, set up your channel correctly, and plug all of them into the magic funnel. I've got another video on the magic funnel, so I won't cover it here, but that's the way to do it. Please vote in the comments. Do you like free traffic? Have you tried paid traffic? Do you like both? Is there something else you'd like to see me cover? If you like my channel, please subscribe, like, and click on the notification bell at the top right. That way, you'll be notified of my upcoming videos on how you can use YouTube affiliate marketing to make progress on achieving your goals. In the next video, we'll be going over no subscribers and almost instant cash anyway.